There's a really simple way to change App Store country here on your iPhone, and it's not inside of the App Store app. It's actually inside of your settings. So let me show you how to change App Store country on your settings. Go to the settings app here on your iPhone. Tap your name on top here to access iCloud. Then select media and purchases on this page, and then choose view accounts on this dropdown. Here, there's an option for country and region. Select this option here, and it's going to let you change country and region if you select this. Now, if you don't see this and instead you see a page that says you have subscriptions, you actually have to cancel your subscriptions because the method of payment for your country has to match whatever address you have for your billing here. So if you do see this, all you have to do is jump over here and change your country and region and press done. If you see the other page I just showed you, you actually have to go back here and you have to go to subscriptions and make sure all your subscriptions are canceled. So if you have subscriptions like me, they can't be active right now. You can't have any active subscriptions. And then you could go back here and manage payments and make sure the payment method has the same address for that country or region. These two have to match. You can't have a US based payment method and be in a different country, for example, here as your region setting. And once you do all that, you'll see change country or settings for the App Store here on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.